Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, from last week, I started my discussion uh, to 10th standard about open book assessment assigned every Friday. So, unfortunately, I was not able to discuss for 8th standard and 9th standard. So, I thought to begin from this week. So, this is what I am going to discuss. It is open book assessment number 1, which was forwarded to you in the form of MCQ, multiple choice questions, on 25th July 2020, from the chapter What is Democracy, Why Democracy, from Political Science part. So this particular question paper I would like to discuss in today's session. So the first question is, the word democracy comes from Greek root word dash. Options: democracia, democratia, demos. Option D, kritia. So the term democracy is mainly derived from Greek root words demos and kritia. So here democratia is a suitable option for the question. Hence option B is correct answer. Then question number 2. The head of the government in Nepal is the. Here options are president, prime minister, king, and vice president. So here uh, correct option to the question is C. Option C, king. Then question number 3. One person, one vote means one person is to be voted by all. One person has one vote and each vote has one value. Option C. Person can vote only once in his life. Option D, both A and C. So the correct option to the question is one person, one vote means one person has one vote and each vote has one value. Option B is correct. Then question number 4. Democracy must be based on one party system, free and fair election, choice from only the ruling party, all the above. So the correct answer is free and fair election. Option B. Question number 5. Which of these features are necessary to provide basic rights to the citizen? Citizen should be free to talk. Citizen should be free to form association. Citizen should be free to rise protest. All the above. So correct option is D, all the above. Then question number 6. Which organ of the government required to protect the rights of citizens? Executive, legislature, judiciary, police. So citizen rights are going to be protected from judiciary. Hence option C is correct answer. Then question number 7. What is constitutional law? Provisions given in the constitution, law to make constitution, law to set up constituent assembly, none of the above. Constitution law means provisions given in the constitution. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 8. Which of these is permitted under the rule of law? Prime Minister can be punished for violating the constitution. Police has a right to kill anybody. Women can be paid lesser salaries. President can rule for as long as he wants. So rule of law means though the person is appointed as prime minister, he can be punished when he is going to violate the constitution. That is option A is correct answer. Then question number 9. Some of the drawbacks of democracy is instability and delay, corruption and hypocrisy, politicians fighting among themselves. Option D, all the above. So the given options are best suitable to describe the drawbacks of democracy. Hence option D is correct answer. That is all the given options are correct. Then question number 10. Democratic government is better than a non-democratic government because it may or may not be accountable. It always responds to the needs of the people. it is more accountable form of government, none of the above. So the right suitable answer to describe democracy as better form of government comparing to non-democratic, because it always responds to the needs of the people. Option B. Question number 11. How does democracy allows us to correct its own mistake? Mistakes can hidden Mistakes are hidden and cannot be corrected. Re-electing the same government to enable it to correct its mistake. Rulers can be changed, none of the above. So democracy allows us to correct its own mistake. Options a provision given to the people, it is rulers are uh, rulers can be changed. People are having right to change the rulers through the elections. Hence, option C is correct. Then question number 12. Which body in Indian political system is an example of direct democracy? Jilla Parishad, Panchayat Samiti, Gram Sabha, Vidhana Sabha. So here the correct option to the question which describes political system, it is Grama Sabha. That is direct democracy. Then question number 13. Which of these is an example of perfect democracy? USA, UK, India, none of the above. India is the right suitable answer. People in democracy exercises dash powers. People in democracy exercises dash powers. Voting powers or direct powers. Question number 15. The success of democracy mainly depends upon. The success of democracy mainly depends upon the ways or the measures, methods which are given importance to elect the representatives. That is elections. So the elections is the right answer to the question. So after discussing all these 15 questions, so I would like to end today's session, and next Friday onwards I would like to discuss uh, open book assessment assigned every Friday to you people. So with this, let me stop. Let me continue the remaining sessions in tomorrow's session. Thank you one and all.